Morcombe killer's lawyer Tim Meehan sentenced in Brisbane court to 5.5 years jail for fraud. High-profile Brisbane criminal solicitor Tim Meehan, who represented Daniel Morcombe's killer Brett Peter Cowan, has been sentenced to 5.5 years in jail for fraud but will be eligible for parole in December 2018. The 41-year-old's sentencing hearing began on Thursday in the Supreme Court in Brisbane after he last month pleaded guilty to 1 count of aggravated fraud and 8 counts of fraudulently falsifying records. Meehan's public profile grew through his defense of Cowan in 2014 and subsequent appeals. The fraud charges stemmed from the Queensland Crime and Corruption Commission investigation into a law firm. Photo: lawyer Christy Bell says her client makes no excuses and accepts the sentence is appropriate. ABC News, Andrew Koss. The court was told 19 clients were asked to pay fees in cash, which were not deposited into the firm's trust fund as required by law. The Crown prosecution said more than $600,000 could have been involved in the overall scheme and may have pocketed up to $500,000. In sentencing today, Justice Rosalind Atkinson, who also presided over Cowan's murder trial, said Meehan's offending fed the public perception lawyers were greedy and self-serving. The only apparent motivation was personal enrichment, that is deliberate behavior to maintain a high level of income, Justice Atkinson said. Your conduct has brought you into disrepute but it also brings the legal profession into disrepute. Meehan, who has been in custody since last month, has surrendered his practicing certificate and is unlikely to ever work again as a lawyer. The prosecution had recommended Meehan be sentenced to 7 years in jail. Outside court, Meehan's lawyer Christy Bell said her client accepted the sentence. Mr. Meehan is remorseful and that remorse is demonstrated by the expeditious way in which this matter has proceeded through the courts, she said. Importantly, he makes no excuse, he takes full responsibility for his role in the offending and the sentence imposed by Her Honor is appropriately a significant one having regard to the circumstances of the matter.